Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica Bethany. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video. That really helps me with that good old YouTube algorithm. Girl, all my stuff in the background. So right now I'm about to go to the nail salon, get my nails done and toes done. um I was supposed to be packing for Miami, but I canceled Miami because I got offered to go to another trip next week. But like that got canceled within like 5 hours of me being asked. So we're not mad, we're disappointed. Um, but I'm still about to enjoy my birthday. You know, it's turn a new leaf. I've turned a new leaf. I kind of went through a kind of semi breakup. Um, yeah. Um, if you go back a couple vlogs ago, the Conclave vlog, I spoke about him. He's never been on the channel. But yeah. So we're not mad. We're disappointed. So all my plans for my birthday basically were finito, canceled. I'm looking a little pale. Canceled. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go, like I said, I'm going to the nail salon and I'm taking myself down to the West End and I'm going to go sit at the bar, you know, because I'm make myself available because we can't sit here and be sad. We gotta move. We gotta move on, you know. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to take you guys with me today with that. So yeah, I look really pale, but you know, we can't. I tell you, I'm gonna tell y'all this. You can't sit and cry over. Like you can be sad, shed your tears, but don't sit here and be cry sad over these men and their actions and what they do. That's them. That's their karma. You know. Definitely look and see what you did wrong, but we'll talk about that later when we come back. So I'm getting in my lip. I personally hate when I'm getting my lift and they always towards the front of my building. I mean, yeah, it's a little walk. It's not a big deal, but it's kind of annoying to me. Cause like, why you going all the way up there? You wasn't even in the middle. I'm about to get in here, y'all. Hold on. Hi, how are you? I'm well, and yourself? Yes. Oh, hold on. I have to go back. I forgot my headphones. I'm so sorry. Oh, no, I have them. I'm sorry. You know, they're so little now. Okay, so I am here at the nail salon. Hopefully they're not too packed. I mean, it's not that bad. Hi, I'm well. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, excuse my hair. It's just, excuse my hair. I mean, my hair is done. It's just the bun is just sloppy. But welcome back to my channel. Today in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is actually cleaning my room. I just need to clean up, clear my I've been in a real bad mental state this week. Well, just in general lately, past few months. And I want to get out of that. I want to just get back to me, and I know that in order to do that, I have to have a clean space. I have, in order for my mind to think, and so I can bring you guys more content and better content, I have to have a clear space so I can have a clear head. So in this video, that is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and clean this mess up. So I'm not sure if I said, but I want to clean my room. I need to clean my bathroom, and I need to clean my kitchen and living room. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get everything on camera because, you know, it takes a while to clean all 4 of those, but I can only compact it into this small space, of hour tops video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. But before we go ahead and get into, you know, the cleaning of everything, I need you guys to do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mouth flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna play deep. Deep, and rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep,
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything.
Okay guys, so this is the final product. Like, I have like in a bucket is from Target, bags are from Target, most of these hair are from like Beauty Exchange or Amazon, honestly. But this is the overview. Oh my god, it just feels so much better. Like, it looks overcrowded, but it feels so much better. Okay, so here's another view of it, but here's what it looks like now. I'm gonna go put it up, and I still have bags left over. Girl, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I got this done. And it was easy. But let me go ahead and put this away and throw out these other wigs. I'm not gonna sell them because they are synthetics, and like, I'm not gonna sell a warm synthetic. I'll wear a new one. I'm more likely to sell like used laced one. But let me go put this up, and I will holler at y'all later. Toodles.